create a Google Sheet with 30 dropshipping products that fit only 3 criteria. Number 1 is you personally can actually film content for it. If it's a cat product and you don't have a cat, don't select that product. Criteria number 2, in the last 2 weeks, this product went viral for somebody else. It has at least 100,000 views for somebody else on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Pro tip, the worse the viral video looks, the better the product actually is. Because bad videos going viral means that the product itself is carrying and is the reason why the virality happens. So that's a massive sign for a mega winner. Criteria number 3 is, do people actually need the product? If you don't know where to find winning products, it's the easiest thing in the world. The method is called burner method. If you don't know what it is, ask ChatGPT. Step number 2. Order the top 3 products out of your list and use the fastest possible delivery method to get it to your home. Amazon, AliExpress, whatever the fastest thing is. Step number 3. Post 2 videos per product per day on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok for 2 weeks straight. If after posting for 2 weeks nothing pops off, you change the product. What should you post? We have a very simple framework. Copy and improve. You take somebody else's video which already went viral and make it better in any possible way. Keep in mind, 50% of all the effort goes into the hook, so the first 3 seconds of the video, so people actually stop scrolling right away. Once you get them to stop scrolling, it's much easier to retain their attention. Secondly, use controversy to engage your audience. The easiest way to do that is adding mistakes into your video that only your audience would understand. For example, you sell a product in the MMA niche, and you add this sentence somehow into your video. Conor McGregor would kill Khabib in a street fight. I promise you the MMA community will go crazy over that statement and everyone's gonna start arguing in the comment section. And this is exactly what you want. All of a sudden, your video is gonna blow up in the exact target audience that you wanted it to blow up. Everyone who isn't in the MMA niche will not get triggered by this, so you attract the perfect audience. Once you get at least one video with over 50,000 views, we can go to the next step. Create a Shopify store and put the link of it into your bio. Now you go back to your viral video, you look at your comments, and if someone asked, where can I get this, or some sort of question like this, you make a super salesy call to action follow-up video as the next post right after the viral video. This will bring attention to people that you actually sell the product, and it's gonna convert like crazy. With organic dropshipping, you don't have any expenses. You will be able to save all of your profits. And once you have enough budget and make at least 10K profit per month, we go to the next step. Entering the scaling phase. Here we're gonna go super deep, making better content, a better store, and you start making Facebook ads, branding, etc. Now, if you want the world's most in-depth dropshipping course, DM me full guide on Instagram and I'm gonna send it your way completely for free.